Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Mana, Decentraland basically. The ticket is Mana. I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting the CoinsKid community. Big up the CoinsKid crew, and thank you for liking this video, okay? If you can, just please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. It'd be amazing. Thank you. So Decentraland has actually gone on a 1618 target right now. Okay, we've had this laid down for a very long time. I've done TA on this before. I think I've done 1 or 2 videos on this particular project before as well. You know, because this is a very popular coin. Okay, and I think round about here I was doing videos on this and telling you you're looking at 1414 when you ran into resistance, you roll into this correction, this ABC correction down here for Mana. Look, the A, the B, the C. The wave load, you see that, and you actually found support on the previous swing high, okay, which is basically what allows you to lay down your fibs. So you've got the swing high, the swing low, you come up and break the high. You can see you had a bit of resistance and struggle getting through that, and it's at that point you came back for support and then you broke out. Okay, got a little bit parabolic here, and this is where all of this move was parabolic, to be honest with you, and this is where you've come back, held support of the previous local high, and now you've melted again and you've come up to the 1618. So you're well on your way to our technical targets we've had for a very long time here for Mana, since we were way down here at 11 cents. Okay, now one of the things that you can do here on the weekly time frame, this is an amazing signal just here. Okay, this particular signal is called a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. You roll into the bear, you find your low, and once you get that buy and go to the beach signal, which is the daily 20 crossing the 55, it allows you to drop your fibs down. Okay, you drop your fibs down and it gives you a projection. Now usually in bull markets you do always see the 1618 get met. There are a lot of projects that have met the 1618 in previous bull markets but have not actually got to that particular target just yet. Okay, I think Firo's one of them, Litecoin, XMR, all those sort of old dog coins are trying to get there at the minute, but this is all it takes, one break and you're up there, aren't you? So this particular token has absolutely exploded because of obviously the Facebook, the Meta rebranding right there, you know. So this is blowing up because of the Meta universe, and it's one of the main sort of coins within that sort of ecosystem. So this is why it's doing really well. Is the party over? I don't think it is. I think you've ran into the 1618 like a boss. You've got a little bit of extended from a target just there, and you can see that you're coming back for support. So potentially, you know, worst case scenario here for this particular project is you can see this popping candle. If you was to roll, I would put some cheeky bids on this 1414 because you can see it's the swing low as well. Okay, the swing high, sorry, and this is what happens. You come up swing highs, swing lows, and you rest on that, and then you find support, and then you go for the next leg up, which are these projections just there. Okay, so to anticipate that in this particular bull run we are trying to get to this particular target for this coin, Mana, okay, at the number 2 on the fib, which is $11.22. Now if we do start to go a little bit more parabolic, this is where you'll see it absolutely go on and get to $28.52 in this bull market. Okay, so it's doing everything it needs to. You know, you had this whopping ABC correction just here, you held this support, especially on the weekly EMAs. Look at that, you start to come back up and you broke out, you broke this high, you've broken out basically one big horizontal just there. Look at that, boom 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 boom, broken out, see you later alligator, Gonski, isn't it? So it's met all targets so far, you know, 1618, which were laid down here in this bull market just here where you started to pick up. This is confirmation of the bull just here. I've taught you this much right now. If you're new to the channel, I teach everybody this. This is a beautiful signal on the weekly time frame, the 55 and the 20 EMA crossing like that. It's called a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. You come up, you fall back into support, golden. Okay, so from that point right there, this particular coin is up a whopping, where are we, 56x basically. It actually topped out just there around about 110x, wasn't it? Wow, amazing. So remember that in the next bear market, because don't be disillusioned, bear markets come and they're brutal. Okay, they do come, they're brutal, but they offer the absolute optimal entry points in these bull markets, because remember, millionaires are made in bear markets. Okay, you're not going to be a millionaire buying air. Okay, it's more high risk. This is where millionaires are made in bear markets. In the floor, when it's absolute shit and no one thinks it's going to do anything, it works in waveforms. Okay, millionaires are made in bear markets, remember that. So right now, yeah, you've got these levels here. We've met this target, we're coming back for support. I would imagine that this particular 1414 at $1.50 could be a really lovely level of support if you was to get that sort of deeper correction. What I'm going to do is look at the daily time frame right now and see what we're doing. So potentially we're coming back to the 20 on the daily, so you might not necessarily come back all the way to the 1414, but you can see if you was to come back, this is your swing high. Okay, swing high, swing low, and you can see you've melted through it, so not necessarily tested the support. So for me, $1.40, where is that? $1.50 would be a massive level of support in this bull market for this particular project. Okay, so what I'm going to do is lay down the fibs just here as well, because we've got a weekly fibs. That's a long drawn out macro trend, but right now let's see how we're doing on the daily time frame for the fibs just there. You can see pretty much, yeah, you've come up to the 1618. Let me get rid of these fibs right now. So this would be a technical support target for me. I'm going to drop that in for you right now. So if you want to see a deeper correction for this particular project, then I do think that that particular level just there, that swing high actually, would actually be offer a fantastic entry point in this bull market. Okay, so that's if it does correct. At the minute you can see you ran into the 1618, you're coming back for support, you lost the 1212. You see, when you're losing the fibs, it works on the same level. When you're coming up, you work through the fibs, you can see you've met with all the fibs, so you're coming back basically. Seen this a million times, so you're coming back. Not the end of the world, you're broken out, come back, hold key level support, you're going to get continuation here. And you can see that the 2.272 off this fib lines up pretty much with our 2 fib that we've had for a very, very long time now. Okay, so the 1618 has been met at $3.07, and we're looking to get to that next fib, which is around about $11.17, $11.78, around that area, which is the 2.2 fib of this breakout that you've gone through. Okay, so what you're doing is you're coming back for support, hold support, and then get the continuation. So this particular level just there could offer a fantastic entry point, because you can see you've come up 1618, you've lost the 1414 and currently losing the 1272, so you're coming back down to this swing high where you're broken out. Do you understand that? Hold it, beautiful continuation, because from there, if we are fortunate enough for it to come down to there, okay, because the market is relatively bullish, if we do come down to there, you could be looking at a whopping 1617% upside off that level of support down there for this particular project Mana, okay, in this bull market. So yeah, it's looking incredibly bullish, isn't it? But like I say to you, you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. Buy the support of this. It breaks out, comes back, holds support. You're bullish, but you want to buy the support of this particular breakout. Okay, you don't buy this. You don't buy big green candles. You don't buy FOMO, because you get shafted basically. You get big red dildos, don't you? So that's basically Mana. You're doing really, really well. That's the technical level of support for me at the moment. I would like to see it come down to that. Hold it as support. You know, get a lovely little bounce on the previous swing high, swing low, and up you go basically. And I'll look at this project again in a couple of weeks. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.